Hi crypto kings and queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. I'm gonna give a full analyze on the weekly chart first of all. So we're taking a support trend line, which we're representing the option that we did have. We saw the market breaking this level. We almost came up and retested the exact same support trend line as a retest, and then market came back down again almost to the support around 36,200. The market broke the support trend line, which also means that we are in a downtrend right here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a Fibonacci from this last lower high around 50,676 back down to the support, which is the lower low around 36,290, which gives us the 1561% Fibonacci levels around 43,500 and around 45,300. These levels that we're having could potentially be where the market reverses back down to create another lower high and then come back down to create another lower low, and we could potentially come back down to around 33k one more time. But if we now see the market having more momentum to the upside and we're closing above this support trend line that we did break and we see potential retest, this could be where the market is actually heading back up to another potential all-time high. But we are looking at the Fibonacci levels first of all to see, because we need to follow market structure, and the market, if the market gives us bearish reversal patterns again around these Fibonacci levels, that could be the rally back down to the support one more time. We're also going to Ethereum on the weekly chart, and we're having the same scenario right here. We did break the support trend line and we had one retest. We're taking a Fibonacci from 3,353 to the lowest point at 2,500. That gives us the Fibonacci levels 2,932 and 3,045. If we're going to the lower time frames on the daily chart, we can also see that we are exactly at right now at the moment around a supply candle. We're going to the 4-hourly chart. So what we're going to do is that we're going to extend this support trend line. This is the one that tells us that we are in a uptrend. And if we now potentially see the market reversing back down from these levels, because even if we're closing with a huge potential weekly candlestick, we can see the market breaking to the downside again. If we see on the lower time frames, as always, that we start to see the market having trouble continuing to the upside, we just might potentially see a retest around 3,035 and then slowly see the market breaking the support trend line and then continuing to the downside. This is what I expect the market to do, because we're coming up to the Fibonacci levels, which we expect the market to break to the downside. But if we now start to see the market having more momentum and you see the potential retest as a higher low, this could actually be us when we're taking up and potentially retesting the support trend line one more time. And same thing as on Bitcoin, if we see a huge movement and we see the market closing above the support trend line and potentially a retest or a retest, whatever, but as long as we're closing above, that could be the market now continuing to the upside to potentially create a new all-time high. But first of all, we're looking at these levels on Ethereum and see if we are seeing the market reversing slowly back to the downside. And if this is happening, the first target that I'm having on Ethereum will be 2,320, and that is also a previous support. If we see huge momentum, we can also come back down to 1,819. We've been speaking about this one before, but now we are at a crucial level where we can expect the market to break to the downside and potentially create a lower high, and then market continues back down. So guys, tell me in the comments below, do you believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin will continue to the upside, or do you actually believe the market will reverse in the next week back down, because we are right now at the lower high levels where we can expect the market to slowly break down. Guys, don't forget that you can receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,100. It's a super good platform if you are a swing trader, if you want to have your position for a longer time with zero or very low fees. You're having the link in the description down below this video, so claim the bonus, and you are always supporting Bitcoinsensus by doing that. Thank you so much guys for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you always know when I am live. Comment below if you did like this video. I hope you will have a great weekend and we see each other tomorrow.